All right, welcome back, folks. Today we have a quick tip for you on using the aligned rectangle tool. In the past, you've probably used the corner rectangle and the center point rectangle, but sometimes you want a rectangle that is not horizontal or vertical. So when we have a rectangle that we want to draw at an angle, the tool we want to use is the aligned rectangle. It's under the drop-down menu that has that next to the corner rectangle. So usually when you open up your OnShape, most likely the corner rectangle tool, shortcut key G, will be on top. If you hit the drop-down menu, underneath at the bottom of the drop-down menu, you will find the aligned rectangle tool. I'm going to click the aligned rectangle tool. And the way this is a 3-click rectangle. So the first click is the first corner. The second click is the second corner. And the third click will give you the third and fourth corners. At this time, I'm going to escape out of the tool by tapping the escape key on the keyboard or clicking the tool again. And then I'm going to grab corners. I would like to line up my bottom corner, which I started at the origin, with my top corner. So I'm just going to drag that up until I see them lining up. And then I don't think I can do that quite so easily with my side corners. So I'm going to use the horizontal constraint to get those to line up. And then we're going to put a dimension on it. Okay. This tool is pretty easy to use. I'm going to repeat that since we went through it pretty quickly. So the aligned rectangle tool is underneath the corner rectangle tool on the bottom of the drop-down menu. It has no shortcut key. You click on the first point to get it started. Click on the second point, and then click to set points 3 and 4. That's all there is to setting up an aligned rectangle. Once you have it, to get it to look like mine, if you want to copy me, I have it vertically aligned between the top and the origin, and I have it horizontally aligned H between the left and the right side, and then added a dimension. At this point, my rectangle is fully constrained and kind of diamondy looking. Anyway, hopefully this helped. Enjoy, good luck, and as always, keep being awesome.